Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a flower diffuser. First, select a stable spot for your diffuser, away from direct sunlight and drafts, which can affect the oil's evaporation rate. Next, choose a diffuser bottle with a narrow opening. This design helps to slow down the evaporation of your chosen fragrance. Finally, prepare your essential oil blend or acquire a high-quality, pre-made diffuser oil, ensuring it is specifically designed for diffusers. Now, let's fill the diffuser bottle. Gently pour your selected diffuser oil into the bottle, aiming to fill it approximately 3/4 of the way. This level provides ample liquid for the flower to absorb and effectively wick the fragrance throughout your space. Be careful not to overfill, as this could lead to spills when you introduce the flower, potentially creating a mess and wasting your precious oil. With the bottle filled, it's time to place your beautiful diffuser flower. Carefully insert the stem of the flower into the bottle's opening, ensuring it sits securely. Now, patience is key. Allow the flower to remain undisturbed for at least 24 hours. During this initial period, the flower will begin to absorb the fragrant oil, and you'll notice it gradually changing color as it wicks the liquid upwards, preparing to release its aroma. To keep your space smelling wonderful, regular maintenance is important. Flip the flower stem every 1 to 2 weeks. This simple action helps to refresh the scent and ensures continuous diffusion. When the oil level drops below 1/4 full, it's time to replenish it to maintain consistent fragrance release. For optimal performance and a strong aroma, consider replacing the flower itself every 2 to 3 months, as its wicking ability can diminish over time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.